Once upon a time, there was these little family. One named me. This is me, and this is my brother, and this is my dad, and this is my mom.
Okay, move your hand. Let me see.
So then we had
Who's this one?
me, and
Okay.
this is my dad, my brother, and this is my dad, and this is my mom.
And there's spiders?
Yeah,
Okay.
and we're a family, so we hang out with each other. We always make our spider homes. Like this. This is our house.
Oh, okay.
So we got lots of homes, and we hang out with each other. I hold my brother, and we do fun things together. Like we play ball, we do everything, because we're a spider family. We hang out with our grandma, and then we hang out with our grandpa. We love our family. They're really fun. We really do fun things.
Like what?
Like we do everything.
You draw pictures.
Yeah, and then the big, giant, bad wolf came and blew our home down.
You're kidding. A giant wolf? Oops. Ah, you blew our house down?
No, he blew our house down.
Oh, the spider house? Oh.
He blew our house, and then we ran. And he stepped on our favorite baby Dennis.
Oh my gosh, that's awful.
And then we had to bury him.
Oh my god, Travis.
What? That's a part of the story.
Okay, is that all?
Nope.
What else?
Then when everything came back to normal, he came back alive.
Oh, thank God.
But then something happened.
What?
The big spider came.
A big spider?
Let me draw him down.
Okay. I'm gonna stop the story.
No. Keep it on.
Okay, well, okay. So what happened? A big spider came?
This is him.
Ah!
And then he stepped on all of us.
Oh my gosh! What happened then?
And then we got buried.
Is that all?
No.
What?
Then the biggest monster came.
Ah!
Grandma.
Me?
Yeah.
I was a monster?
Yeah.
What happened?
And then you stepped on all of us.
Oh my gosh!
And then we came back to normal when you left.
Oh, okay.
And then a big plant came and it smushed us.
A plant?
Yeah.
What kind of plant?
That.
A dahlia?
Yeah.
That's a flower.
Yeah.
Well, it's still a plant, but...
Well, and then it left, and then we were happy.
Okay, is that all?
Nope.
Well, I
What?
got 3 minutes, so that's going to have to be it.
And then we had a happy day, and then we did fun things together.
Yay.